Well, all right students, today I am not here with any new topic. Okay, today I will not explain you any new topic. We will do the revision of chapter division. It sounds good. Okay, so we will do the revision of chapter division, wherein we will start with 4 basic terms of this chapter, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Right, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. See, I have written these terms here. Dividend is the number that has to be divided. Divisor is the number by which you have to divide. Okay, divisor is the number by which you have to divide. Quotient. Quotient is whatever you get by dividing the number. Okay, means quotient is your answer. If you divide dividend by divisor, whatever you will get is known as quotient. So quotient is your answer. Remainder, whatever is left over. If you have divided any number, okay, and it is not evenly divisible, in that case you will get some number in last also. The leftover is known as remainder. Let's take an example. If you have number 243 divided by 3. Okay, this number is dividend, this number is divisor. After dividing these two numbers, whatever we will get will be known as quotient. Okay, your answer. And if anything is left over, then that is known as remainder. Here 243 is perfectly divisible by 3. So your remainder will be 0. And if this number is 242 divided by 3, then you will have some remainder because this number is not perfectly divisible by 3. Right? Now, see, I have written a formula here also. D is equals to Q multiplied by DI plus R. I have written in the bracket in short. Okay, so dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. If we multiply quotient and divisor and add remainder in that, okay, that will be equal to dividend. Okay, if this all is equal to dividend, it means your answer is correct. This is the way how you can check your answer. Alright, now come to some basic properties of division that you have to learn by heart, that you have to keep every time in your mind while doing the question of division. Alright, see, when divisor is 1, when your divisor is 1, means if you have a number 423 divided by 1, then your answer will always be the number itself. Okay, whatever your dividend is there, if your divisor is 1, you are dividing your dividend with 1, then your answer will be your dividend only. Alright, when divisor is the same number, if your number is 423 again and you are dividing it with the same number, okay, if you are dividing the number with the same number, your answer will always be 1. Right, whatever the number is there, it doesn't matter, it is 23, it is 53, it is 573. If you are dividing it with the same number, you will get your answer 1. Right, now the third is when dividend is 0. If you are dividing 0 by any number, 234, 423, 623, your answer will be 0 only. These are the 3 basic properties of dividend that you must keep in your mind, that will help you always in dividing the numbers. Alright, now come with the another topic of today's, relationship between division and multiplication. There is a kind of relationship between division and multiplication. And this is, I am telling you just to make your calculation easy. If you have to divide any number by any number and you know the multiplication, you know the table of that number, it's no more difficult for you to divide the number. Alright, just see the relationship. Every multiplication fact with two distinct factors gives us two distinct division fact. Multiplication fact, distinct factors and division fact. This all you must know. Multiplication facts means if you are multiplying two numbers and you are getting a product or multiple, this all is known as multiplication fact. Okay, these two numbers are the factors. This is the multiple or product of these two numbers or these two factors. Now, how will you get two division fact by this? That you need to know. Okay, I have got 28 as the multiple of 4 and 7. So, obviously 28 will be divisible by both the numbers. So, we can write it in this way, 28 divided by 4, we will get 7 because 4 sevens are 28. Similarly, 28 divided by 7 will give you 4. Okay, because 7 4s are 28. Take one more example. 6 8s are 48. So, we can write it in this way. 48 divided by 6 will give you 8. 6 8s are 48. Similarly, 48 divided by 8 will give you 6 because 8 6s are 48. But it is not applicable when your factors are same numbers. You have two distinct factors here. Here it is 4 and 7 and here it is 6 and 8. But when your factors are same number, then it is not applicable. Let's take an example. 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 28. Then in that case, it will give you only one division fact also. Okay. Then it will be 25 divided by 5 will be 5. Alright. So, when the factors are same number, then you will get only one division fact. When you have two distinct factors, then you will get two division fact. Okay. I hope this much is clear to you all. You need to revise the chapter thoroughly. You have to do many and many questions. Okay. The more you will do the questions, the more you will clear with